Okay, there it is. Finished product. Looks like a new car.
All right, guys, so welcome back. Thank you for hanging out, spending a few moments here with me. If you're new, definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button. I really do appreciate it. Now, today we're going to be stirring the pot. My buddy went ahead and installed a new front bumper on his Hellcat, CT Hellcat. And every time that I do a video like this, there's always a handful of people that really just totally disagree with this kind of upgrades. But I am of the mindset of it is your car. You make the payments. You get to decide what it is that you like to do with your car. There's really no harm, no foul. So the item that we're going to be talking about is basically a 2021-2022 Charger Widebody design. Okay, it is basically taking the design cues off of the wide body and fitting it to your narrow body Charger or your standard Charger. And he did it to his Hellcat, and I think it came out amazing. It really does give it a nice, modern, sleek look to it without the hassle of making it a wide body. Now, what I mean by hassle is when you buy a complete wide body kit, you're going to have to paint the front and the rear bumpers along with the fender flares. Then you also have to install it. Then you also have to do at least minimum a upgraded wheels and tires. All of that kind of starts adding up from a price perspective. And then if you want to start cutting your fenders and or upgrading your suspension, now you're looking at a very expensive little upgrade for your Charger. And this front bumper really kind of solves that issue. It's $800. You paint it, you install it, and I'm going to show you guys some of the footage of the installation. Now, it isn't the most easy installation by any stretch of the imagination, but it is certainly a manageable thing if you are knowledgeable about, you know, swapping the bumpers and doing a little bit of body work. It took them a little while because they had to take quite a few of the pieces off of his Hellcat bumper and swap it over to the new wide body styled front bumper. And you know, this is a great option out there for those of you that kind of want to mix it up, give your Charger a little bit more of that modern look to it without having to kind of break the bank and make it a wide body. I like, you know, shedding light into a lot of these kind of products because it gives everybody a little bit of an option. And I'll tell you what, it will definitely screw with people. A lot of people are going to be looking at your Charger thinking that it's a wide body, and then they're going to be thinking, where the hell are the fenders? Where's the fender flares? So, you know, that front bumper, I think with a lowered suspension and some nice upgrades around it, will really look sharp. Guys, let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'm going to kick it over to CT Hellcat, a friend of mine that has been, you know, really upgrading his Hellcat and his RT.
There's the new 2020 style bumper. Freshly painted. Okay, so we got all the pins out. All up there. And then there's two bolts up here you gotta get. You gotta take the side markers out. Gotta take all the pins off the top there. And then you gotta take off the sleeve underneath with a bunch of pins. Alright, so we got the front bumper off. I got new headlights though with color changing headlights. So we gotta take the headlights off now. There's the new lights. Alright, so there's a couple parts that did not come from Vicrez that I had to take off of the Hellcat bumper, which means we won't be able to put anything on the RT until I order a replacement. One of them is this center piece that the other grill components have to screw into. And then these pieces that go on the side that mount it into the body of the car, they actually have rivets that you have to drill out. So we're going to have to order those all. I'm going to have to order those also for the RT.
One to get to.
So we're almost done here. We just had to run all the lights, all the light cables before we put this on, and now we're mounting this up. Almost done. Okay, there it is. Finished product. Looks like a new car. So all in all, it was a pretty tough install. I also put extra LEDs here and inside there, and I have them tinted with Lux window tint, so you can't see them that well. They are a little bit dimmer when you turn them on because it has that dark smoke coating on them. But I'd rather have them blacked out like that than seeing a white strip right here, even in the middle of the day. But yeah, all in all, really happy with the look. So this is the Vicrez 2020 style front bumper for a narrow body Charger. Thanks for watching.